Hello, good people of the internet. We are back with a very poor quality, very low budget stream. How's it going? If you're here, say hi. I want to see who's watching the stream. All right. If you think something is wrong with the stream, for example, if the music is too loud or you know, if you don't like my keyboard noises like these ones, let me know. I will do absolutely nothing about it. So your feedback is super important. Hello Adam. How's it going, everybody? Just say hi in the chat. And one little tip: to say hi in the chat, there is this emoji box, and next to the emoji box there is emoji thing, and then next to the emoji icon there is this box with the S in it, and that S stands for say hi. So to say hi, click on that box, alright? And there will be some panel, some input. It will ask for your credit card. Just enter it. Yeah, fine. This is how it works, alright? And that's how you can say hi. Thank you. How's it going, everybody? Who's watching? Let me see the stats. 4 people, 4 OGs are in the chat. What's poppin'? Adam, you're famous now. I'm telling you. I talked about NVRS to many arch people. Look at this, by the way. Hold on. Let me see my. Look at this. I got the swag, arch swag. I have another one actually, but I don't know where. Hold on. Here's my little arch keychain. There's another one that I stole. I took with permission, but I fucking lost it. All right. So we say hi with a credit card. Man, you know how it is. You're gonna make the YouTube bread. You know what I'm saying? Like you gotta make that shit. All right. I lost my little arch keychain, but anyways. Get this, by the way, shows arch keychain. I have an idea. I have the best fucking idea ever. Hold on. 1 second. Bro, this is going to blow your fucking mind. Hold on. Dude. I'm gonna combine. Are you ready? Okay. That was actually cringe. I'm gonna make my own arch chain. This is how we're gonna roll now, alright? This is how we're gonna do. It's the custom arch chain. Here we go. On the Oxide t-shirt. Man, I'm dripped out in the stream, like fucking hell. Alright, you see this? Got the arch chain, if you know what I'm saying. This is what I'm gonna wear from the rest of my life. There we go. Fucking amazing. It's amazing. Anyways, how's it going, guys? The Ferris chain, arch void chain 1. Dude, what is the logo of Void Linux? Is it something cool? I gotta see that. Hold on. Void Linux. I remember the logo, but I need to see it. Huh. How would you print that as a thing? You know what? Do you guys know any good like free AI image generator things? Like I can try ChatGPT, but it's not that great. I have an idea. I want to just make it into reality real quick. If you know any service that can just generate something like this, let me know. I want to get bust down, full diamond, arch, Ferris collab. What was the name of the chain? Cuban chain. Fucking thick one, you know, with like the freaking thing on it, like fully diamond. I need that. I need to make that thing into reality. Is that our chain 3D printed? I'll make 2,000 by the next month. I'll sell those. Yeah, man, 3D printed. Yeah. Should I keep this, by the way? Is it like too cringe? If it's too cringe, just let me know, alright? Okay, it's too fucking cringe. Oh, okay, I'm just removing this. Doesn't really have to be so dripped out in the stream, you know? But I mean, if somebody asks you who's the most dripped out streamer that you know the answer now. You know the answer, right? Fucking geeky as shit, dude. It's dope. Thanks. Guys, what the fuck we gonna do today? I haven't prepared anything. It looks better than you. Through that fucking word, man. That's facts. It's facts. Love it. I'm gonna look for something to do because I don't have anything to do. I can take a look at the ratatui PR that I created, but I think Josh is working on it right now. Hold on. Let me see. I have a list of things, but in these streams I don't feel like doing something very technically deep, if that makes sense. If you have any ideas, I can... Hey Josh, how's it going? Josh is in the chat. Can we get W's in the chat for Josh? Come on. Guys, the one and only, the best maintainer in the world. No cap. He's just killing it every day. Can we get W's in the chat for him? Should I look at your PR, Josh? Even more big names in the chat? Hell yeah. These streams are just something else now. It's crazy. It's dope, thanks. I have an idea. Josh is like, I'm doing the absolute opposite. Guys, I have an idea. I'm drinking tap water now. I mean, can you imagine drinking tap water? Man, I used to drink from premium deluxe, whatever, that I bought from some. Anyways, it's life. I have an idea. I want to. Okay, maybe someone else already thought about this before. Because of Australia. Fair enough. But you know, I'm now a Zelly J user, and I enjoy it. It's essentially a TUI. Maybe we can look into developing a Zellish plugin, but maybe using Ratatui if it's possible. It should be, by the way. It should be possible. So maybe we can take a look into that and try to make something happen real quick. Maybe that might be a good thing to explore, or just keep that in mind. Or we can take a look at the pin and tree Ratatouille thing, which is an absolute fucking annoying buggy implementation. It's not because of my implementation, but because of the GNU PG. And somebody in the Arch community today recommended me to just not use GPG and just use SSH for signing. And I think I'm just gonna do that later on. So we can take a look at Zellish, I think. Perhaps take a look at the last part of the backend modularization PR, the docs failing. Okay, that's also another good idea. I can take a look at that. The special request from you, I'm not gonna decline that. That's something that I should be doing right now. With this poor quality stream, I'm gonna bring some quality code. So making it happen, dude. Alright, so GPG is useful in my opinion, but it's ancient. That's the problem. 1 second, let me check the stream health. Alright, everything looks good. I'm gonna share my screen and make the terminal font size bigger. GPG getting done dirty. Dude, everyone hates it. I'm not gonna like talk for the most of the people, but I mean it's problematic. Everyone knows that, so yeah. I should look into Sequoia when I have the chance. So let's take a look at the backend modularization. Wait, what's the branch? Alright, everything looks good here. 6 people watching. Refactor. Oops. Alright, so I'm gonna... You know, using Zalish effectively, using tabs, everything. So nice. So let's take a look. I think these things are done mostly. I'm gonna move the chat over here while I'm looking at things. So these things are done. If you remember yesterday, I was trying to figure out I wanted to add the same feature on the backend crates into the ratatui, but when I do that, it starts to like compile everything. Wait, that does not make sense. Let me show it to you. And today I learned from Josh that you can actually use the question mark operator in the feature list like this. So it's, I think, very sick. So when you look at it, oh, this is a better example. So scrolling regions feature will be enabled on... What's going on? So okay, if you enable scrolling regions on Ratatouille, it will enable it on Ratatouille Core, and optionally it will enable it on Ratatouille Crossterm, Ratatouille Termion, and Ratatouille Termis. And by optionally, it means that if you enabled any feature related to those crates, so if those crates are being compiled and if you want to enable scrolling regions, it optionally includes them. And I think that was the problem that I had yesterday, because I didn't know about the question mark thing. So he he solved it in a very smart way. I like it. Alright guys, so what am I gonna do here? Let's see. A bunch of comments. Files change. I don't know if I explained this in the correct way, Josh. Just feel free to correct me if I said something wrong there. These are the docs, right? I didn't know we didn't have the which feature is it? I didn't know we didn't have the underlying color on Termion. I think we don't have it, right? Because I don't see it here. Yeah, we only have scrolling regions. Okay, cool. Okay, is the stream running fine? Is my microphone... Okay, cool. Just need to check things, because I don't have my second monitor for monitoring it, so I need to switch to workspaces sometimes. Let's see, using Ratatouille. These are mostly just... This is nice. So we are fixing the readme with X task now. Cool. What is the problem with the docs? Alright, let's check that. Perfect explanation. I don't think so, but thanks for your confirmation. Dude, I'm so tired. My excuse is I'm so tired. I spent a day with the Arch people. Arch. Just need to say that. Oh, I forgot to say, by the way, Arch people, by the way, so that's why I am tired. Okay, we went to the venue. Venue is nice. It's quite good place. It's like a office, and the guy who like helped us get to the venue, he was like, okay guys, here is the kitchen, here are the toilets, whatever, you can get coffee here, and here are the showers. And like, I was like, what showers? Why do we need them? And then yeah, I don't know, there was just showers in the office. How do you get the failing checks to be up top automatically? What? I don't know. What did I do? Nothing. You just run Xtask. Not sure what I understood what you mean there. No item name ratatouille in scope. Okay, ratatouille core source backend. Let's see. Ratatouille core source backend and in test, or no, in the backend. Oh my god, this the space management is hard. I need to resize the chat a little bit, move it over here, and let me see, 93 ratatouille. So this thing cannot find the ratatouille backend, cross-term backend. Well, this should be now in ratatouille cross-term, right? But do we have dependency on that in the cargo toml? I don't think so. Oh, we have a... Okay, interesting. We have a dependency on ratatouille. So it should find those. Oh, it's weird. Okay, maybe we can start from the terminals one. We just need to depend on ratatouille in terminals, and it should be fixed, I think. But not like depend on it as a normal dependency. Well, we depend on it, so what's the fucking problem? No item named ratatouille in scope. Alright, so let me get this right. In the checks section of that PR, I noticed that the failing checks were both up top for you. Oh, you mean here? But they're alphabetically ordered, so the range. Oh, I see. So I think it's because of the refined GitHub extension. I think it's because of this. I'm not sure if you use this, but this makes the UI a little bit better. So if you don't, just install it. It's awesome. Let me check it in the private tab actually, because I don't think I have the extension enabled in the private tab. Well, I don't see the CI on here anyways, but because of the refined GitHub, most likely. I'm not sure, but most likely. So yeah. Alright. These are the warnings. By the way, why does this happen? I don't know. Anyways, just take a look at the terminus thing for now. So it cannot find ratatouille in scope, and it's happening in 67. We have ratatouille core as a dependency. That's fine, we can find it. And ratatouille is okay. Weird. Why do we have a feature flag here though? RS test. Do we use RS test here? No. Okay, one thing that we can do, we can just delete these. probably. Why do we have a rest test? And this will just work fine, I'm hoping. I remember I did the same thing before. I added the... Yeah, GitHub Refined is super nice. I added the ratatui as a dev dependency, and the docs were just fixed for ratatui widgets or something like that, but now it didn't work. I don't know. Let me actually check again. Let me actually check the thing. Okay, 6 people still watching. I didn't lose anyone yet. Guys, keep going. Alright, click the button right next to the emoji icon. Gotta make that bread, you know. Arch is not paying that well. Just kidding. Love Arch. It's my life. Next people, sorry. So I want to link back to the Ratatouille Craig. It works for examples, but not for links in docs. Yeah. Yeah, I see. Yeah. Workspace. Let's make this thing simple, maybe. Okay, so which line was it again? S 67. So if you want to link to Ratatouille terminal. What is Ratatouille terminal? Is it the struct? Probably it's struct, right? Okay, if this doesn't work, then I don't know what to do actually. This is what I did for the examples. Ratatouille terminal. Okay, Rust dev dependency doc tests. Doc tests are no longer past dev dependencies. What? This was broken and then... What the hell? They were just closed. Is this a Rust issue or what's going on here? So, okay, is this the same thing? Yeah, it's the same thing. Oh, what the hell? There's no context. Re-enable doc test using external crates inline. What? Wait a minute. It's weird. Okay, let me catch up with the chat. One way to maybe fix it might be add a doc RS feature flag that adds the dependency, but that seems to be flaky. There's two things, doc tests and docs. You know, you can middle click instead of right clicking new tab. In Firefox, one is run by cargo test, the other by Rust doc. Wait, Docker is featured. Yeah, it's the dev. Do we do that for something else? Actually, I think we do that for something else. Some other things. I don't know. But I mean, if there is this issue, should be possible. This is a doc test though. It's a doc test. Right clicking new tab. When did I do that, dude? Middle click. I don't know what I did. I'm not that self-aware actually. Sorry. I'm not sure what to do here. That issue relates to doc tests. I think what you said might be the most sensible thing to do here, because I'm not sure how to actually make this thing happen. Otherwise it shouldn't, it seems not possible to me. So wait, let's try to understand added Docker as feature. I don't like that. I don't like that very much. Docs RS feature flag. How do I do that? There was one thing that we do for config, I think. What was it? Config attribute. Yeah, I mean, not sure about this, man. Like, we can probably use something like this, but yeah, it would be better if we can just kind of like access the dependency. No, this is not really related. What? No. I guess I'm gonna take a look at this issue with a fresher mind. I don't know. I feel like I am not. What is this, by the way? I cannot really focus on this right now. It's a bit. It needs a bit of like a deep dive for me. Wait, what is this? Config doc test. This is not related, but it seems interesting. What the hell? Okay, whatever. Just getting sidetracked as always. Refine GitHub. Okay. I am not sure, Josh. What do you suggest here? What do we do in Ratatui actually? This is good. You kind of filter the term for Windows so we don't compile it. Okay. Mostly I was hoping you had some magic better idea that I was missing. Dude, I don't know. I looked around, but this doesn't seem possible to me right now. Like, okay, let me search for it again. Maybe my Google Kung Fu, whatever, it was not that great. So Rust doc test dev dependency doc test whatever. So dev dependencies, we already check this one. This looks like the exact same issue to me, but it was just closed. Like there's nothing. What is this extern flag? It was from 2015 though. Like this can't be. No. And this is from 2015 as well. Oh my god. Doctors no longer receive the dependencies. No. Oh my god. I don't know. Can we import this from somewhere else though? We don't have access to terminal on ratatui core, do we? We don't, right? Damn it. Let me take a look again. That's fine. What happens? Okay, I have a genius idea. What happens if you don't link it? Just remove the comments. Nobody needs it. The good code should explain itself, right? Just delete the comments. Be good. It should work. Let's see what we will be missing actually if you don't add the comment there. What is gonna happen? It's the worst thing that could happen. What is the terminal thing? Okay, you're just gonna miss one little type reference in many places. In just one place. Josh, just remove the comments, man. Nobody. Let's see. But it would be nice. What happens if we export? No, that's not possible probably. So, where's the comment on this? So, terminal. Yeah, this is missing. It's fine. Like we can just delete this. It should be fine. At least for the term-based part, I think. We can simply do. Where is it? Yeah, you know, terminal, whatever. But I mean, I would expect this to be fine. Like it should be possible to actually do this with the dependency, but I don't know. I hit the same issue actually the other day on some Arch project. I think we tried to doc test dependency. There's one. I hit the same issue with the test result crate because I wanted to use the test result and the let me actually pull up the source for it. Somewhere test result. It's a dev dependency, but it's being used in the tests, so it's fine. 1 second. It was in license. Workspace, true. Okay, so I have the same thing here, but I can actually I don't know. I don't think I use this in doc tests yet, so it's fine. But yeah, I hit the same issue the other day. That's what I was going to say. You should be using the dependency. It's not possible to specify this dependency for doc test, but not. Well, that's it. There's no other explanation. Any other workaround, anything? Come on. Doc test dependency. Come on, give it. No, I think it's not possible. Rustdoc should run all doc tests in one binary. What is this about? Nope. We have the Rust rover documentation for this, guys. The true source of learning Rust. Let's see, documentation, run a doc test. No. Rust internals. Internals.rustlang, or what is this? Cargo doc is more limited. Limitations seem to me include no ability to document test items. Okay, of course, no reply. It was just closed. Cool. I guess we're just gonna delete them, Josh. I don't think. So it's the doc comment that matters, not the doc test. Oh, wait. Doc tests are only the bits in the code, not the links. Oh yeah. Okay, I see what you're saying now. Sorry, I was looking at the... But I mean, still, we cannot really... Rust doc dependency. Is there a doc dependency thing? I don't think... Dev dependencies are not provided. Running cargo dostock on mentioned examples. What? It seems fixed. What are we running here? Lint docs. So this runs. What is this running? Cargo docs RS package. Wait. Is this maybe a docs RS thing? Cargo doc. Okay, I'm a bit confused now. What are the flags? Okay, cargo doc is just gonna warn us. Nope, I don't think this is possible now, but maybe we can like post another issue, maybe, I don't know. Maybe it's worth it. Or maybe ask on the forums. Otherwise I don't think there's much to see here, because I mean, what is this Rust wiki? What is Rust wiki org? It's the Chinese, or what language is this? Chinese. Rust wiki is just a Chinese. Okay. Oh, well, yeah. I guess we can just remove them. It's not much, anyways. But I'm curious now because, yeah, I'm really curious now. Maybe I can just create an issue later on. Good. We did absolutely nothing in so far with this. No progress. Great, guys. Top-notch live stream. Low budget as hell. Not making progress on PRs as promised. There are like no expectations on the live stream anyway, so you didn't really come here to see me finish things up, right? If that's the case, dude, you're at the wrong place. But it was good deep dive on the stuff. Sorry, I don't know. I don't know how to make this thing happen for now, but we'll take a look later. But I mean, the PR looks good. PR looks good, so you know, technically it didn't compile on Windows. All right. I wish we had a Windows machine to test this. Is anyone using Windows in the chat? If anyone using Windows in the chat, please say something so that I can reach out to you and we can try arrange something to test this together. You know, if you're using Windows, say something. Yeah. Zero budgets. Okay, PR looks good. I think we can go ahead with the docs removal. At this point, we are actually removing docs. You know, it's like the next level. It's not like we're adding docs. Like, we don't need to explain everything. Because I mean, over-explaining is bad. Okay, I just made that up. VMware Fusion free dev Windows works. WSL probably not that helpful. VMware Fusion. Do we have an Arch package for that actually? VMware. Probably. I should get a better laptop actually for virtual machines and stuff like that. What is the... Have you ever like tried running TUI stuff on WSL? Is it like good? Like how's the performance? How's the terminal experience and stuff like that? I don't know. I'm kind of curious. Guys, now we're gonna take a look at the Zellish stuff now. I guess 6 people still holding on to the stream with both hands. Zellish plugins, all right. Not plugins. How do I do Zellish plugins? Zellish create plugin. Developing a plugin, let's go. That's just VMware Pro with fewer steps. Where's my browser actually? Okay. The terminal experience is as good as your terminal on Windows, so it's bad. All right. How am I supposed to read this? Because the chat window is like... Alright, Alright, this is good. So, guys, developing a plugin, let's go. This section talks about developing a Zellish plugin in Rust. Development environment walks through the example Rust plugin. Plugin lifecycle. Talks about the plugin interface and Zellish tile. The Rust library Zellish provides to facilitate development. Implicit contracts Zellish has with plugin in regards to ANSI rendering. Alright. Upgrading. Okay, let's see the development environment first. So with Western it's pretty good, but all terms of Windows are kinda tied to Microsoft's implementations. Plugin example, let's see. So this is our Zellish plugin. This development environment is created by the following Zellish layout. So Zellish action start or reload plugin. Oh, I just closed it. So let's see the code actually. I'm a bit curious now because it seems like a fun thing to look at. So dependency Zellish tile. First of all, what is that? Zellish tile. Zellish tile create acts as the Rust API for developing plugins. Okay. Interesting things. Zelish plugin trait for implementing plugins combined with the register plugin macro to register them. List of commands representing what a plugin can do. What are the commands? What? Functions. Okay. List of events a plugin can subscribe to. Zelish worker trait. Okay. We are using WebAssembly. Right, so state. The state of the plugin. Register plugin. Let's see. You can start a development inside Zelish. Okay. Impl Zelish plugin for state. So load. Runs once plugin load. Provides a configuration with which this plugin was loaded, if any. You can subscribe to events or request permissions. Update. React to events that have been subscribed to. And returns true if the plugin's render function should be called for the plugin to render itself. This is a really good example. I enjoy reading this code. Like, it's good. We should probably do something like this for Ratatui as well. Like, I just started reading from top to bottom, and like it's super understandable. Okay, load is like you want to run something first, like, you know, subscribe to some event or like request permissions. Okay, you can do it here. Update. You should update the UI and you return true from that from this function if you want to update the UI and so on. And pipe, let's see what pipe is. React to data pipe to this plugin from the CLI. Key binding or another plugin. Returns true if the plugin's render function should be called for plugin to render itself. Alright, I'm getting a bit lost here. For the plugin to render itself. And why there's a space here? You can just remove that. A render is just render. Okay, so it's not a very functional example, but it's good. For a working plugin, okay. I want to actually check the trait. It's not then dynamic dyn compatible. I don't know what that means, but okay. So okay, that seems very clear now. Aren't there trait docs? I couldn't find it. Okay, we have it here. My best friend, can you prepare group YouTube channel as our Discord page? I want to join you. Is that a cryptic message for... Well, I didn't get it. But I'm a bit scared. Like, are you... What do you mean? I don't know. That was spooky for some reason. I don't know. Okay, moving on. That just gave me very weird vibes. I don't know what you wanted to say there, but fucking hell. Zelish provides the Zelish tile crate. Okay, lifecycle methods. Yeah, I just read through those things. Registering a plugin. Maybe calling that here. Okay, these are all part of the example, so these are fine. It is just Transistoric, the AI acting up his alt probably. Transistoric, please, I mean, stop just playing around with the settings. You're just fine, okay? Don't change the settings. You can just keep the same model, same LLM, whatever running. That was funny enough. Don't try to make it more funny. You'll just gonna screw it up. Just okay, it's fine. But yeah. Alright, rendering the UI. I want to use Ratatui for this. Let's see. Rendering ANSI through stdout. When a plugin's render function prints to stdout, Zelish treats the printed bytes as UTF-ANSI. One can print to a Zelish plugin just like one could print to any terminal and have it rendered, with the following exception. Every time the render function is called, the previous state of the terminal is cleared. This is in order to facilitate UI development without having to keep track of the previous state on the screen. This behavior might be toggleable in the future. Plugin developers are free to use whichever terminal UI libraries they wish in order to render a Zelish plugin. In the future, Zelish may offer a UI library of its own. Okay. Using the built-in UI components. We have a table. This is ratatui, but what? This looks like, again, it's not actually. It's okay. You have table, ribbon, nested list. It has UI widgets anyway, so I don't know. Beep boop. The protocol. This section discusses the private DCS ANSI serialization protocol used to represent the above components. It could be of interest to SDK authors. An example component can look like this. Holy shit. It's just ANSI. The first part of sequence is the DCS representing the beginning of a Zelish UI element. Each component, oh my god. Okay, I see. Indentation in the context of a nested list. Wait, so I can just print strings and then that renders as a UI? That's it? Is that it? I want to try this out. Let me build this. One second. I need to handle. So are these like UI widgets a part of the Zelish style library? UI components, yeah, I see. So table. We really need ratatui in this, man. Let me see the source. It's a vector of text. Serialize. That's interesting. Wait, so think about this. We can have an interface, or just a trait, for converting ratatui widgets into these things, functions, and seems a bit of a pain though. Oh man. This code looks a bit like it's not been. This code looks like it's been written once and someone said, "Let me not touch it again." That gives me those vibes, to be honest with you. Like no comments, no nothing. It just works. Okay, then let's not touch it. It's fine. Let's move on. Yeah. Oh man. Was not expecting to see something like this. So the rest of this is just UTF encoded bystring, which is the ribbon's contents. Coordinates. Okay, interesting. Okay, maybe this guy can't program. Turn down Turkish music. Everyone hates it. It's not Turkish. It's Russian doomer music, and I don't even hear it, to be honest. I don't know what's playing right now. So yeah, this guy can't program. You are right. I want to actually build this. So let me add the WebAssembly. Actually turn up Turkish music, please. Do you mean like actual Turkish music or just the Russian doomer music? Do you like the music, Transistoric? Because I don't hear it. I don't know what's playing right now. Let me actually check. You know, it's low budget, so I don't have any opportunity to both listen to it and also keep streaming. It's fine. It's totally fine. I don't know what's wrong with you, Bram. Alright, so we built that. How do I load the plugin now? How do I load the plugin? I think there was an example of that somewhere. I remember seeing it. Yeah, here. So, just gonna create a new layout, I think, in my config Zelish. Although calling remixes of Victor Soy Doomer is a bit of misnomer. I don't know. I have no idea. I just found the mix on the YouTube, like it's just a random mix. So Zelish layouts plugin test, and it, yeah, or just test maybe. Test KDL. And let me open it. Not GitHub, but config Zelish layouts test KDL. Okay, so let me copy that. Don't need these. Or maybe I can have them. Quite hard to see the chat and the code at the same time. File target. This should be under here actually, so let's plug in example. Okay. Yep. So can I just run this thing maybe? Just Zelish L and test. Could not find cargo. Okay, shit. That was not good. I should have just run it inside the Rust plugin example thing. Rust plugin example. So in here, if I run it. Oh, I made a typo. What did I do? cargo. Okay, so just, this is the good thing about Zell, is you can just set up the workspaces and then you're ready to go. But this time it didn't really work because, get out of, come on. Valid Polish guy liking depressing Russian music. Oh, I did the same mistake. Oh my god. Okay. Well, I don't need to actually. Yeah, I'm just gonna remove the panes here. Zellish action start. That's interesting though. Yeah, let me not do this. Yeah, just this should be enough. Okay, it's counting the rows and the columns, that's fine. But it's just actually printing the std out, right? Hold on. We can basically get, like, create the terminal, just std out. Okay, so yeah. What can we do here? Hold on. We can do something like in state. Okay, I think I have a way of making this work. Something like terminal. First of all, add ratatui, of course. And terminal should be terminal. I don't want to use cross term here because that doesn't make sense. We just want to write stuff on std out. So yeah, what we want to do is actually, if you go to the init function, we go to the source. Terminal new, so terminal std out option. Like no, wait, can we use WebAssembly? So this is a WebAssembly target, right? You should be able to compile to WebAssembly to use Ratatouille there. No, the other way around. But you got me. So. Oh shit, right. But you know what's really good? Now that everything is coming together, now that we're modularizing things, we can actually use Ratatouille core instead of Ratatouille, which should be WASM compatible, I'm hoping. I don't know. Ratatouille core, let's try that actually. Man, everything is coming together. I like it. So Ratatouille core. Yeah, it's not a valid definition though. It should be path. Right? Is this valid now? Let's see. If this compiles, then we might actually make this happen. Or maybe we should just depend on ratatui itself, like without the backends, maybe. Not sure. I don't know where is the terminal type. It should be in the core, I think. Maybe. I don't remember. So okay, is this now? No, it's in the ratatouille. Oh my god. So okay, ratatouille without features, default features, false. Now maybe it'll work. Let's see. Ratatouille terminal. Std out. And option. No default. Okay, default implementation is okay. What? Backend is not implemented with std out, so I need to use a backend for this? Man. I am not sure what to do here, but I think what we can do instead is just use a test backend, dude. Just use a test backend. Just snatch some code from test backend somewhere, you know, right there you go. There you have the test backend now. And this is just rows and columns anyways. And I don't know, render just a paragraph for now. Paragraph new, or I don't know, from. There's no state. Paragraph new. Okay, what's wrong now? Just call int on these. Type mismatch. No. Okay, whatever. Just use as U16 for now. It's fine. And what I'm gonna do is just something very simple. Just print the backend. There you go. Build this. That's wrong. So many errors, man. Derive something on it. Drive default. I almost finished the NVRS refactored. Code looks even worse than before. That sounds like progress. Good job. Keep it up. So now we should, in theory, have a Zellige plugin with Ratatouille Not really. But hold on. We're gonna make it happen. Width and height. So rows, columns. Am I using the width and height in the wrong order or what? Hold on. Let me add a block to this. Bordered. There should be a better way of handling this, but I'm just testing. The defactor. Oh, I didn't build it. Yeah, there you go. But I think I fucked up the order here. Because otherwise it should just work. No. Yes? What's going on? Defactor. Something's really slow with my editor today. Why is it so slow? Do not load from cache. Come on, just load it. Just load the file. Oh my god, Zellish is... What the hell is going on? Something's going on with my Zellish. Okay, just kill everything. Zellish, kill all sessions. Okay guys, I broke Zellish. Nice. It's not working anymore. I still haven't implemented some basic features in Zoom that I've been meaning to. I want to switch to your tool. I use... What was the name? Zoxide? Zoxide, right? I can switch to your tool. Just do it, man. Alright guys, Zellish is broken now. I cannot use the terminal anymore. It's not... Yeah, it does not work. Just kill everything. Cool. Yeah, this does not look correct to me. I think I fucked up the order, but then... Just example plugin. Just gonna run cargo watch on this. I don't know what's wrong with my thing here. Just gonna do this maybe. Okay, this is kinda better. Alright, we're using ratatui to do Zellish plugins now. You can probably add like event handling and stuff like that using the other functions, but yeah. This is kind of bad though. I don't like this that much. Maybe something like struct zillage backend, or yeah, it's gonna take some time, but I think it's good that it's good to see that it's actually possible. You can do more stuff with it. Okay, what's buffer? What happens if I print the buffer instead? Yeah, okay. Proof of concept complete. It's possible. You can do it. You just need to have like a custom ratatui backend implementation of some type. Instead of using the test backend, you can use that, and you just need to hook it up, hook the event and like state handling to the Zelish functions, and it should be possible. I think I'm gonna actually make like a better POC, and maybe I can present it to Zelish at some point. But this was quite fun. I'm not really sure about the UI component things though. Like these are, oh man, these stuff look really not that great to me because of, oh my god, what is this? Oh my god. And they can pretty much use like the inline variables here instead of just having everything as a separate format argument. But yeah, Zelish ratatui. New era for Zelish plugins just begun. Yeah. Zelish widgets. This creates combined ratatui and cross-term. Okay, they already did it. Cool. There's already a crate for it. Nice. What I just did not really mean anything. But it's a bit old and okay, Zelish widgets. Okay, they actually did this. Interesting. But it's quite... Has it been long enough since inline format was stabilized? I think it's been some time. The thing about this thing is that I don't want to have cross term though. Because you don't really need cross term for this. But the examples and stuff like that is nice. Keep in mind there is no loop controls rendering like there's three. It's your responsibility to implicitly call render function. Let's see the code. Where's the cross term stuff then? I think this does what I want, but I'm not sure why it's mentioning cross term because it shouldn't be needed. But maybe it's needed, I don't know. In the code it's not really... Yeah, okay. Interesting. I think I can come up with something custom for this too. So there's my live streams. And it kind of re-exports the widgets. I don't like that much. I think depends on, well, yeah, I need to see the code first, I think, before I comment on it. It's just re-exporting it. I don't know, seems kind of promising, but I need to dive into it a bit. Okay, I will watch everything. Start it. So yeah, guys, I feel very tired now. We did absolutely nothing in the stream. Just I felt like I just looked at some stuff and that's it. Like, I don't know, but I didn't really say something like we're gonna do this and that. There's no like expectations, right? So it should be fine. If you want to say something or just ask questions, whatever, go ahead. I'm here for some time, couple of minutes. I am super fucking tired right now. I'll check my Gmail real quick. Guys, anything that you want to say to me? Otherwise, I'm just gonna go. I don't know when is the checkout time. I need to check that. Gotta get a good night's sleep to be ready for more arching tomorrow. Hell yeah. I look forward to that. You can probably tell from my face. Josh just I just saw Josh's message on Discord. He said maybe turn the slide off. He was right, but I didn't see his message. So you kind of get blind with this light during the whole stream. Sorry. But yeah. I'm like super lazy to go there now. I was gonna say the same about light. I forgot. Guys, it's fine. It's fine. Just a small light. Alright. Oh shit. I just switched scene. Alright, I'm gonna. Okay. Alright, guys. No more light. Do you know the Linkin Park song? What was it? Not No More Light, but Turn the Light? No. No More Light. Linkin Park, No More Light. Yeah, there's this song. I was right. Cool. No more light. Go to bed, dude. I'm out, guys. Take care. It was a pleasure. I absolutely did nothing in the stream, but it was nice to experiment with Zellige anyways. And the rusty stuff. I thought literally the same when you said no more light. Now I need to listen to that song before I sleep. You know that. Actually, I'm not gonna sleep. I have a video to edit, so I'm just gonna edit that video now. Fuck it. Grind continues. No more sleep. I'm gonna sleep at 2 a.m. Wake up at fucking 8. Go to the ArchConf. And just chill there. Anyways, guys, the last message I'm gonna give you today is use NixOS, drink water, get hydrated, and use the Rio terminal. See you in the next one. Love you. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks Josh, and thanks Adam, Transistor, all the other guys. Bram, I know that you don't like the Russian music, but thanks for tuning in. Anyways, I like my haters. My haters are just the reason why I'm here right now. Thanks guys. Grounded. Edit the video on stream. Too risky. Maybe later on I can do that for other videos, but a good idea. Take care everybody. Stay rusty. By the way, I'm out.